Hey Yardies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are having a kick-ass day. I'm having a kick-ass day. So, great, beautiful morning here. We're gonna get our mow on. Get a fresh mow job in. Let's do that first. Cause then, we have other work to do. All right, got our sexy mow job in. I mean, we'll see how it looks up in the air in a little bit. But I want to show you guys this. Remember in one of the previous videos I said I see a lot of wildlife, nature, hashtag nature? Darlene knows. The toads and frogs and whatever stuff I've been seeing in the yard. Here, let me show you. Look at this guy here. Hey buddy. The ginormous weeds in Yard Guy's backyard, they've served their purpose for the bees. Now it's time for them to die. All right, we got the yard mowed. Damn, she looks good, doesn't she? Smash that like button. I don't care if you like stripes or not. Hit that like button right now. Do it. So the other day, my wife, she asked me to pass her lipstick, and I accidentally gave her a glue stick. She hasn't said anything to me since. Okay, so we've got our final shipment of the Lawn Bright. It comes with the instructions. It's so easy. If you're looking for easy lawn care, the Lawn Bright, Get Sunday, those subscription lawn care plans, good things to check out. Because they send you everything. All you need to do is just follow the instructions. Can you follow instructions? It comes in the box. All you gotta do is read it. Can you read? So look, custom lawn plan for the yard BAMF. That's me. So this week we're gonna hose on the total lawn. This is the total lawn. This is what we hose on the first week of October, as soon as we get that shipment. Then towards the end of October, we hose on the Root RX. Total Lawn is a bioactivated fertilizer. It aerates compacted soil and it improves root development. So now I've got my hose laid out, and I like to start at the far area of the yard first, then kind of work my way back towards the spigot. Also, you want to make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon to follow along, because as you can see, this thing's ready to be drained. And we're gonna have some fun with that, so that's gonna be in a future video. All right, we got everything hooked up. We got our water on. We're ready to make her wet. Yard BAMF style. And just like with the Sunday products, save the top, save the sprayer, and recycle the rest. So that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you watching and hitting that like button and hitting the bell icon. Remember, the next application will be the end of September, beginning of October. And subscribe to see that video of what I'm gonna do with that pool water. Hey Yardie, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna go get wet. Real wet. Yeah, that's right. The time has come to empty the pool. Wow, in a previous video, I sprayed that Lawn Bright Total Lawn back here. Holy cow. It's definitely got some, pretty sure it's got some iron in it. I can smell it. And also some seaweed. I can definitely smell that. And yes, it's starting to rain, but you know what? We're not gonna let that stop us, are we?